Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, testing out and reviewing one of my new purchases. This is the Philips fabric shaver. I've wanted one of these for a really long time because I love the idea of trying to breathe some new life into old clothes that have gone a bit fuzzy, bobbly, and some of these clothes I really love and I've loved wearing, but they've just become a bit too bobbly and fuzzy to be able to wear anymore, and I'd love to breathe some new life into them and love wearing them again. So in terms of this fabric shaver, or fabric shavers in general, there are tons of them in the market. I've seen loads in discount stores, I've seen loads listed on places like Amazon and eBay. In the end, I thought I'd go with this Philips one because it's a very well-known and reputable brand. The price of it compared to some of the unbranded ones wasn't actually that bad. There wasn't much difference in price. I paid just shy of £16 for this, and it proudly boasts that it will work on any type of fabric, even delicate fabric, which is something I want to try. I have a really lovely evening dress that I just can't wear anymore because it's got some like bobbly fuzzy bits down the front, and I would absolutely love to be able to fix that and wear it again because I used to wear it quite a lot. So I really hope the claim that it works on the most delicate fabric is correct. I'm going to try this on quite a few different fabrics later in the video, so let's get straight into the unboxing. Inside the box you get the shaver itself, some documentation and a pair of batteries. Putting the batteries in is a very standard process, but as you can see here, I found it really tricky to slide the battery cover back on without sliding off the front of the device. I had a really quick flip through the documentation, but it didn't really tell me much, so I kind of just went with what the picture diagram told me to do and got on with it. Okay, test number 1. This is a pair of pyjamas that I wear constantly throughout the winter, and they are a soft fleece material. As you can see here, the fuzzy bits just came straight off the fabric and it didn't even take that long. Test number 2. This is an acrylic jumper. Loads of these types of jumpers get bobbly, so if this works, I am going to be over the moon because I have like 10 more in my wardrobe to do. I'm honestly so impressed with this. You can see that the bobbles have just come completely off and it really hasn't taken much effort. This little fabric shaving device is so satisfying that I'm just going to keep working on this jumper for a little bit. Next up is this evening dress, and apologies in advance that my camera messes up a bit here. It is actually entirely my fault because I didn't set it up properly. This dress is made of some sort of delicate crepe fabric, so I was very scared to use this device on the dress. I went in really slowly and I made sure I held back the fabric from each fold really carefully. In the end I had nothing to worry about because it worked super well. Emptying the fluff from the device is really easy. You just slide off the front and it all gets collected in this little lint compartment. Cleaning out lint from the blade is also super easy. You can unscrew the safety guard off the front of the device and brush the fluff out or into the lint collection compartment using this little brush that comes with the device. Obviously you need to be extra careful here as these blades are really sharp. The safety guard is then easy to screw back onto the device, and you can slide off the lint collection compartment to see what you cleaned out of the blades. To wrap this up, I'm going to go through a pros and cons list. Instead of a boring video of me talking to the camera, I thought I would add in this bonus content, which is of me working this fabric shaving magic on a really old t-shirt. Pro number 1, the shaver appears to do a good job. It's worked on all the different fabrics here that I've tested it out on, and I'm hoping it lasts a while. Pro number 2 is that I think it's worth the price. Obviously, I haven't tested out a cheaper one, but overall I feel that I paid a reasonable price for the results it's giving me. Pro number 3 is that, to be honest, it's very satisfying and almost therapeutic to use. Con number 1 is that the build quality feels quite cheap and plasticky. I feel like there could be some metal elements to make this device last longer. Con number 2 is that the battery compartment and link compartment are really easy to catch at the same time, and this is really frustrating when you're putting in new batteries or emptying the link compartment. And con number 3 is that there is a really unnecessary amount of paperwork supplied. This is just such a waste of paper, and the only important bit of paper was the one which contained the picture diagrams. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. Also, feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this.